Hello guys, welcome to Himalayan Chronicles. Today, day 3 Munnar trip. We are going to Chinar Wildlife Sanctuary to spot the wildlife, and also we'll be going the Pushpa guys. What do you remember by the name Pushpa? Red Sandalwood, yes. We are going to Red Sandalwood forest area where we'll witness the Red Sandalwood tree, and from city it is just 30 kilometers. So by the way, the jeep charges will be 3,000. This is in the Marauyoor route guys. Marauyoor Jeep Safari. Enjoy the video guys. Oh wow, I just spotted a deer. Wonderful guys. It came for drinking water. There were small deer kids as well. Wow. Taking this into two parts. The first part would be the wildlife viewpoint, followed by waterfalls and Red Sandalwood forest area. Second part would be the secret hidden waterfall where we trek down, and the sunset viewpoint. See both the videos coming soon on Himalayan Chronicles. So sometimes depending on the day you will see lot of deer, leopard, mongoose, crocodiles, etc. It all depends on luck. So we are able to witness the beautiful deers enjoying their food. I would say the breakfast. So it has come with kids as well. As you can see, the beautiful wildlife in its own nature guys. Amazing wildlife area. So I would suggest come in the early hours, so maybe you can witness more animals. But we have witnessed the spotted deer. And let's continue the video. We have to go to the Red Sandalwood area as well. And by the way, there is a surprise in this video. There is beautiful Ithipara waterfalls, just like a mist. Beautiful waterfalls. Wow, what a beautiful cub, deer cub. Amazing, isn't it? Just amazing guys. And now that's the mongoose. Wow, mongoose, you know, right? It's like a squirrel but which can fight with a snake. So mongoose, everything is as you can see, we are about to enter the first glimpses of the Red Sandalwood area. Each tree has been marked for security purpose. You cannot pluck any branches. So many people have come here to witness the beautiful Red Sandalwood the Pushpa movie is famous for. Guys, welcome to Himalayan Chronicles. We have come to the Sandalwood NSR. You can see a sandalwood broken stem as well. Broken stem. Beautiful broken stem guys. Another NSR, this entire sandalwood forest. Just now we have smelled a sandalwood trunk which was tasting the sandalwood. कैसा लगा आपको सैंडलवुड? तुम्हारा बोर्ड निकालो बोला कुछ. चलो. So पूरा सैंडलवुड फॉरेस्ट है guys. Reserve forest. Marauyoor range, Tirunananthapuram, Peramade. So this is the entire Sandalwood forest in the back side. Only until here the vehicles are allowed. After that vehicles are not allowed. Wow, wonderful guys. People might have seen Pushpa 1, Pushpa 2. This is Pushpa 3. Where the NSR Sandalwood Reserve Forest. As you can see, sandalwood. 6 ml of sandalwood perfume costs 7,000 guys. Right now we are standing at the Sandalwood Forest. NSR beautiful Sandalwood Reserve Forest. It's not allowed. At one point only the fencing is there. और ऐसा कैसा रहा महसूस हुआ ना आपको जब आपको रगड़ के वो ऑलरेडी आधा ब्रोकन स्टेम है तो हम रगड़ के स्मेल किया तो चूसे तो उसका हमको महक सैंडल महक आ रहा है. बहुत तेज आ रही भाई, बहुत तेज आ रही. मज़ा आ गई. NSR सैंडल गाइस.
NSR में अभी इधर
सैंडलवुड
मरायूर डिवीजन, मरायूर नेचुरल डिवीजन नेम नेचुरल सैंडल रिजर्व. NSR फुल
स्मेल आता है क्या?
स्मेल इधर नहीं आता है.
उन्हें रगड़े तो है.
इधर एक कटिंग पीस है उधर.
आप देखिए जो. So guys, we are in the Sandalwood Reserve Forest. NSR, National Sandalwood Reserve Forest guys. Pushpa. पुष्पा 2 और ब्रेक इन वाला है। आप करो स्मेल करो पता चलेगा। ऑलरेडी ब्रोकन स्टेम है वो आ रहा है। और अगर आता है आ रहा है। प्योर सैंडलवुड NSR।
हमारा अच्छा डेट
2022 नंबरिंग है। आ रहा है। और क्या गाइस सैंडलवुड महक है। परफ्यूम स्मेल सैंडलवुड यार
इसको जितना रगड़ेंगे उतनी महक आएगी।
पूरा सैंडलवुड है भाई। वाव NSR सैंडलवुड ग्रेट। पूरा सैंडलवुड रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट। 6 ml sandalwood is costing 7,000 rupees. Okay. Wow. So this is sandalwood. Right. Wow.
हम भी सैंडलवुड के पास ही हैं।
हाँ सैंडलवुड है क्या NSR? Wow. You see lot of sandalwood reserve forest area. You're not allowed to pluck any of the branches. As you know, 7 ml of perfume cost about 7,000 guys. So red sandalwood, Erra Chandanam. Beautiful area. So we're having just some time over here. So we are spending our time together in the sandalwood forest. Any tree with NSR cutout would be a sandalwood. That too red sandalwood. Very costly guys. Also used for Ayurvedic herbs as well. So as you can see here. Amazing. This is one of the sightseeing point today after the wildlife sanctuary. So this entire area is actually a forest. Okay, so the entire area is a forest. In the forest itself, you will have the sandalwood, trees. We are going to the next point. Let's enjoy the next point, guys. Now we are going and climbing this narrow ghat road to Ripple Waterfalls. So on the left side of the road you can see the visible Ripple Waterfalls. You cannot go there, but it is visible from the road itself. And there is also another waterfalls, Irachi Para Waterfalls. Matlab slow waterfalls. It looks like a mist. So stay tuned, see the full waterfall video to enjoy the video. Wow, just beside the road we can see Irachi Para Waterfalls. Amazing mist almost 300 meters above sea level. Height of the waterfall is 300 meters. Amazing rainbow formation is also happening here, as you can witness.
आजा बाबा आजा बाय बाय
There are some tea refreshment. You can have a quick refreshment, snack break, and then go to the waterfall. Waterfall name is Irachi Para Waterfalls, 300 meters, almost the height of the waterfalls. When it falls down, it looks like a mist. And there's a surprise also. You can go behind the waterfalls. Let me show you that route. As you can see, the beautiful waterfall in slow motion, guys. As the sun's rays fall on them, it creates a mist kind of waterfalls, and a lot of rainbows are appearing due to the water and the air mixture. Amazing, guys. Look like silver drops.
बस ध्यान रखो हाँ ग्रिप में रहो चलो चलो हाँ पानी लग रहा है हाँ बस hey Arita, hello wow beautiful waterfalls amazing wow beautiful falls. It resembles Annapurna base camp side में पानी था ना ऐसे ही था almost. चलो मैं आ रहा हूँ. Wow, rainbow, yeah. Little bit of rainbow effect is showing up. Yes. हल्का rainbow effect है.
As you can see, the beautiful waterfall in slow motion, guys. As the sun's rays fall on them, it creates a mist kind of waterfalls, and a lot of rainbows are appearing due to the water and the air mixture. Amazing, guys. Look like silver drops.
Wow. आ जाओ. कैसा लग रहा है अनिता? बढ़िया. वाओ. इधर आ जाओ. और कैसा लगा? Guys, welcome to Himalayan Chronicles. Para Waterfalls, guys. You can see a beautiful waterfall. Pure mist. It's like mist from the top. So the mist is coming down. Beautiful mist. Wow. Pure misty mist. Wonderful. Guys, we are at the Para. Para, na? Para Waterfalls. Wow. देखो ऐसे देखो. Beautiful waterfall. Amazing, guys. It's amazing. Beautiful spot. Oh, beautiful waterfalls, guys. It's amazing. कैसा लगा आपको फॉल्स? छोटा फॉल्स है पर रेल में ज़्यादा होगा शायद. अभी तो मिस्ट जैसा लग रहा है पूरा. Like mist, everything mist. Wow. चलो. Chronicles, guys, we have come to beautiful waterfalls, small waterfalls but very beautiful, just beside the road. Rainbow, you can see a small rainbow. Wow, nature's fury, nature's magic at its best. Small rainbow is visible on the top right side. Amazing. Wow, what a beautiful waterfall. Beautiful waterfall. Amazing. हम actually on cliff के ऊपर पड़े हैं. On the cliff, small cliff. Amazing waterfall. Just amazing. कैसा लगा आपको? बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. बहुत बढ़िया. How do you like it, Anita? You can see a small rainbow coming up. Beautiful rainbow. चलो. So let's go to the beautiful rainbow. Amazing rainbow, guys. On the side. Lespara Falls. It's called Lespara Falls. It's called Lespara Falls. Rainbow देखो, rainbow. Beautiful rainbow. Wow. ऊपर देखो. Beautiful rainbow, guys. Wow, amazing.
So we almost spent about half an hour over here. Initially we taken some videos front of waterfall and then we went to backside as well. Little bit slippery rocks, but carefully you can make your way out if you have a good pair of grip shoes. So, but the waterfall is just amazing. Many people are enjoying this mist kind of waterfalls. Para Waterfalls, amazing, guys. Welcome to beautiful rainbow, guys. Amazing waterfall over here, and you can literally stand there for some time and enjoy the water mist. When the water mixes with the air, you get the rainbow effect and also the beautiful mist as it touches your body. Amazing, guys, just amazing. So by the way, the Jeep charges were 3,000 rupees for half day sightseeing, where we have covered the wildlife sanctuary view and as well as couple of waterfalls, and we also covered the Red Sandalwood forest area. Overall about 30 to 35 kilometers one way, so total 70 kilometers we have to travel today from Munnar. Okay, and you need a Jeep normal car would not be a good idea. Better to have a proper SUV or a Jeep. So we're enjoying these waterfalls for some time. And by the way, coming soon in the next episode is a hidden waterfall where we trek down the mountain to actually witness the hidden waterfall and also sunset viewpoint. So there are 2-3 viewpoints on the same day. So I'm breaking this into second part coming soon on your lovely channel Himalayan Chronicles. Enjoy the videos.